Welcome to the English Cat. Today we'll listen to the first part of our 1000 Essential Sentences Ultimate Series. After every sentence, there will be a short pause for you to repeat after me. So let's get started. I wake up in the morning. The alarm rings at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I dry my face with a towel. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I take a shower. I wash my hair with shampoo. I use soap on my body. I get dressed. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. I put on my socks. I tie my shoelaces. I go to the kitchen. I boil some water. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of tea. I cook breakfast. I eat a toast. I drink some orange juice. I wash the dishes. I prepare my bag. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a worker. I am happy today. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am excited. I am busy right now. I am ready to go. I am tall. I am young. I am healthy. I am strong. I am shy. I am married. I am single. I am from the city. I am 20 years old. I am learning English. This is my bedroom. The pillow is soft. The blanket is blue. My alarm clock is on the table. The curtains are open. The curtains are closed. The lamp is on. The lamp is off. There is a rug on the floor. My clothes are in the closet. The drawer is empty. The drawer is full. I charge my phone. I read a book in bed. I sleep at night. I open the fridge. The fridge is cold. I take out the milk. I pour the milk. The glass is full. The glass is empty. I grab a spoon. I grab a fork. I grab a knife. I cut the bread. I spread the butter. I crack an egg. The pan is hot. I stir the soup. I smell the food. I taste the food. The food is hot. The water boils. I turn on the stove. I turn off the stove. I wash the fruit. I peel the banana. I eat the apple. I wipe the table. I throw away the trash. The cat is on the box. The cat is in the box. The cat is under the box. The cat is next to the box. The cat is behind the box. The cat is in front of the box. The ball is between the boxes. The bird flies over the house. I walk through the door. I walk around the table. This is a t-shirt. The t-shirt is red. These are jeans. The jeans are blue. This is a dress. The dress is yellow. These are shoes. The shoes are black. This is a hat. The hat is green. These are socks. The socks are white. This is a coat. The coat is brown. This is a skirt. The skirt is pink. This is a belt. The shirt has stripes. The shirt has spots. My clothes are colorful. I wear glasses. I wear a watch. I wear a ring. I wear a necklace. I wear earrings. I wear gloves. I wear a scarf. I carry a backpack. I carry a purse. I carry an umbrella. This is my family. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my brother. This is my sister. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. This is the baby. We are happy together. I love my family. He has short hair. She has long hair. He has a beard. She has curly hair. He has straight hair. He is tall. She is short. He is strong. She is young. He is old. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. There are clouds in the sky. It is raining. I use an umbrella. It is snowing. The wind blows the trees. It is a hot day. It is a cold day. The moon is white. The stars shine at night. The grass is green. The ground is wet. The ground is dry. This is a shadow. This is a tree. The leaves are green. The leaves are yellow. This is a flower. The flower smells good. This is a rock. This is sand. This is water. The river flows. The mountain is high. This is a dog. The dog barks. This is a cat. The cat sleeps. This is a bird. The bird flies. This is a fish. The fish swims. This is a cow. The cow eats grass. This is a horse. The horse runs. This is a chicken. This is an egg. This is a butterfly. This is a car. I drive the car. This is a bus. I wait for the bus. This is a bicycle. I ride my bicycle. This is a train. This is a truck. This is a boat. The airplane flies.